Collaboration is crucial to any successful project, but it's not always easy. Scheduling meetings, working with a remote team, and relying on emails can cause miscommunications, delays, and frustration. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our SolidWorks users have to say.
The constant communication is causing a lot of time loss.
The communication, just different things like that would eat up your time that you can't use to design.
When you connect SolidWorks to the 3D Experience platform, all of your stakeholders can participate in a unified single collaboration environment, which means fewer meetings, emails, and calls.
Using different things and implementing them together just creates a lot of frustration, and being able to automate those processes and just have everything work right. So, as an engineer, I could focus on designing something.
Effortless collaboration means more time to focus on what really matters: designing.